Hey guys, this is Brother Lee. I'm making this screencast to show you guys some of the issues that I've been seeing in last week's assignments. There were a lot of common mistakes, so I'm going to go over a couple of them. This is in Photoshop, so I'm going to do it pretty quickly, so some of it might be a little bit messy, but just stick with me. So just here on the top left, I did a quick ellipse, and you'll notice that some of the important things you need to remember are that the ends here on the tops and the bottom and the sides need to be rounded. And that, for example, on this one, some I saw ellipses that look more like this, whereas the tallest points and lowest point should be here. It shouldn't be the same height all the way through here. Also, I saw some, as you know, the common phrase footballs where the corners are too sharp, right, going like this. So when you look at a circle, the ends are never pointed like this, but more round like this. And there were even a few, that had issues on both sides that looked almost more like a diamond. So keep that in mind that ellipses, and they're really circles, so they should be rounded on the top and the bottom. Also, I saw some issues with the cylinders. So this is the eye line right here. Let's say we have a cylinder up here. Because the bottom is close to the eye line, it should be pretty close to flat, whereas the one up here is getting farther away from the eye line, like you did on the printed pages. This one should be, you should see a lot more of the face, basically. Whereas, say you have one that's about equal on top and bottom from the eye line, then the faces should have about the same height. Whereas if it were below the eye line, like this, again, if it's closer to the eye line, then it should be flatter, whereas on the bottom it should be wider or taller. So remember, the farther you go away from the eye line, the bigger the height or width of the circle. So this is really quick. I know it's messy, but just remember these things next time.